What's up with the DC Nation? It's your boy DC and I'm back with another video. Your boy Chris is back.
Yup.
Your boy DC is back. You seen the title. If you haven't, you need to look at it real quick. Or I can just tell you. We're about to do the sneeze prank again. But on a different person. And this person haven't been on his channel in a while. But he's coming back today.
What you got back there for me, man? Surprise? You ain't got no surprise. You ain't got no
I ain't got
surprise,
nothing.
right? All right. My God, this time. Yeah, boy, it's cold up in here. Damn.
He's talking to you.
Mama, it's too hot to go back there right now. It's too hot to go back there.
What's up with you, man?
Ain't nothing, brother.
I'm finna take him to the house. You ain't been seeing on the videos?
Nah, I ain't looking for it. I see you on your drop off. You still paying car shit?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep on paying him. That is good.
Oh, shit, he's sneezing and shit. Damn, that shit come way up here.
My man.
Let me put my mask on and shit. I know I had my COVID-19 shot. One of them, I need to get both of them.
You got the vaccine?
Yeah, I got one of them.
Really?
Yeah, got it yesterday.
You been feeling straight?
Yeah, my arm gets sore right there. I'll go back next month.
No, man.
Go back next month. You got damn, you still, man, give me something to put on. He's sneezing all over my goddamn arm.
Okay.
Yeah, he's sneezing back there. I'm telling you what the hell he got. God damn.
Is you hungry?
Nah, I'm good. Oh, hell no.
What's up?
He sneezing like that. I don't want no food.
Huh?
What's wrong with him?
I don't know.
What the hell wrong?
What?
Put that shit on me.
Brady, what is you doing?
What's wrong with him?
Dude, what is you doing?
He top my arm.
Hey, you almost made me get it under the leg. What is you doing?
God damn. My arm cold as shit.
Dude, what is you doing?
I forgot I got this protector on my arm.
Huh?
This protector. This protector from shit.
What did it protect you from?
Any disease. That's for diseases. Protect you from the diseases.
Where you get it from?
That store right there I just told you about. Oh my God, man. What's going on? I need a hoodie or something.
Damn, dude.
Man, get over there somewhere, man. God damn. Oh, have you ever go get him home?
Yeah, we gotta go to
What? I gotta go through that sneeze all the way over there?
Yeah.
Oh my God. She done gave that young man. It's cold up in here.
Chill, man. It is not cold up in here. It's hot
How
outside.
you be sneezing like that then?
Good. Okay, I was trying to tell you.
Shit. You ain't
I was
tell
trying
me
to tell
nothing.
you. No, I was trying to
You
tell you.
told me I would never got up in here. You gonna be sneezing like that.
I would tell you he had a phone call the other day. Cause you know how they be saying you got COVID, but you really don't have it.
Oh my God. You got COVID?
I don't know.
What?
No, they said
I don't got no sense.
they said my mom she had COVID, but she didn't have COVID. You know what I
You
mean?
got one sister right there sneezing like that.
I don't know. He ain't got no COVID though.
Oh shit, he got something. Man, shit.
Damn, dude.
He sneezing all my arms.
Chris, stop, bro. Sit back.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna sit back.
Shit, he get it all in the back of my head. Damn, man, why you put me in here with this shit for, man?
You was not sneezing when we was coming
COVID-19
pick you up.
ain't no
You
joke.
gotta charge him.
That package you got, doggone head off. Look at that stuff he putting on me.
Hey,
Man, hell.
hey, Gio. Now, I got a charge right here.
Well, give it to him. Shoot.
That's exactly what I'm on my mind.
He got it.
Hey, Chris, chill, bro.
Nice color.
Yeah.
Stand back.
Dude, do you have my man?
Yeah, damn right.
Yeah, ugly.
Shoot, I don't want that shit on me.
How do you even get that from under your feet?
Get that stuff off of me,
I
man.
was just scoot up to the side.
Yeah, scoot up to the side, man. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
oh, I got my charge. Oh, it's in my pocket.
Oh, you on the other damn side. Come on, man. Cut that shit out.
I mean, Chris, you really too old for that. You know how to close your nose.
Yes.
I am cool.
Yeah, if it's coming up here, I don't feel it, but
Shit, I
he
feel
keep
it.
jumping every time you sneeze. So apparently you hitting him with it.
Yeah, damn, he got the virus.
Nah, he ain't got it on Fred. Don't even say
He
that.
got
That just be saying it. That be saying
He
it.
got symptom of it.
Just sneezing. That could be allergies.
Shit,
I
I
sneeze.
don't know what the hell that is.
I just took my allergy medicine though.
Oh, shit. Man, this shit.
Man, I'm trying to get this y'all here you go.
Man, dude, take me back to the house. Y'all going to marry. Shit. Ooh,
You gotta press that button so it can work.
What the hell wrong with him, man?
What button, bro? What are you talking about?
That button right there.
He trying to get up here, man, and sneeze on me, man. Hey, what he got?
This
good
man
sense?
is not trying to sneeze on.
He got good
Chris,
sense.
sit back, bro.
He must have good sense.
Chris, sit back, bro.
My gun. I got my gun. Sneeze on me again.
You're not gonna shoot my friend, man.
Yeah.
You're not gonna shoot my friend.
Tell it was an accident.
How you gonna cover it up? Tell me
Tell
that.
the gun went off. Shit. Ooh,
It's just my allergy.
that's a badass allergy.
That's nasty,
What your
bro.
girlfriend do when you sneeze on her? Slap the shit out of your pop.
My girlfriend, a midget.
With the fair. Oh yeah.
She sneezes on me all the time.
Man, this thing feel wet. He was like it was sneeze all on the back of this thing. It felt like it was wet.
So,
Your light on.
huh?
Your light on.
What light?
Right there.
What light?
Right there.
You must have hit, Uncle Freddie, you must have hit it jumping around like
He
that.
finna sneeze again. Oh, he did that. I feel
I
bad.
can't believe you almost made me wreck though.
Shit, I'm trying to
You
get
grab my.
that shit out.
Why you panicking so much on the sneeze?
Shit, that's COVID-19. What you talking about?
I got one coming.
Everybody, we got one coming.
Alright, I lost it.
Oh shit, I'm gonna hold it up
I
there
hate that feeling.
just in case.
Yeah, when you trying to sneeze and it just don't come out.
God.
Yeah, I hate that,
You go to
bro.
the doctor and shoot some of that stuff up in your nose.
That cute too.
No, they got some shit there, shit up there and dry that shit right out. It'll burn for about 2 hours.
Dang, bro. Nah, I felt that shit.
You got it bad. Look, I got the sniffing and everything. That's the sign of COVID.
I can't believe you got my mat though.
Hey, I almost
You getting all the dirt in my seat?
That's how we get it out.
He working my.
Oh, he's gonna get it bad.
Damn, bro.
Leave his ass at home.
No, Uncle Freddie, that's mean, man.
Oh, it ain't. It ain't me. I don't want that shit. I take it back to my mama.
What you do today?
Do nothing. My mama trying to get a key made.
Damn.
That shit come through. He won't put his hand over his mouth. Something wrong with him. He won't put his hand over his mouth. Must be allergic. He must be allergic to me or something.
I'm not allergic to you. What do you got on you?
I don't know. Shit. He said
You been around a dog or something?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah. My brother got feeding the dog. Think that what it was?
You allergic to dogs, dude?
Yep.
Oh,
Damn. Okay, Freddie, I'm not comfortable with you having my dirty mat.
okay, don't worry about it.
Cause it's falling on the seat, man.
I'll clean it off. You don't want me to get that shit, do you?
You're not gonna. He don't have COVID. He just said he's
I
allergic.
don't know. I don't want no.
He allergic, man.
I don't know. But he don't know how to turn his head. Shit. Ooh, where you turn? Right here?
Yeah.
Yep.
It's down the street past the second stop sign.
Second stop sign.
Yep.
Shit, you just went by one. Yeah, I'm gonna start coughing now.
Nah, he's just paranoid. That's all. You don't have anything.
Oh shit. Stay in there under the cover so you can sweat it out.
Okay.
What kind of hat that is?
Oh my God, man, you put that shit on my hand.
What is you doing?
What's wrong with that man, man? What kind of hat?
What's wrong with you?
Man, let me out.
You acting like a bug
Come back
or
and
something.
Where you gotta go? Come pick me back up.
Great, no, come on. Dude, his house right there.
All right, let's be down there, man.
Close the door all the way.
Put his damn hands on me, man. Shit.
Hey, bro,
You ain't got no hand sanitizer or nothing.
I ain't gotta know.
Let me see if he got something.
Nah, man, go ahead. Go ahead, man. Go ahead, yeah, get that out of here.
It ain't nothing in there.
It ain't.
No.
You got. Hurry up, man.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Okay, all right, look, it's a break, man. It's a break.
Ain't no damn crank.
It is a break, dude.
No,
We got you. We got you.
I
You
feel
good.
that shit on my own. How's a crank?
Cause, look.
Oh,
Spray my.
oh, you boy.
Oh, man. We
That's
got
what that was?
you. We got you.
Yeah, you sure did. I said, y'all
Yeah,
got some
I
shit
feel
all the time. Man, shit. Spray that shit on my
Nah, that's water.
That's what that is?
That's water in the spray
Man, you
bottle.
good, boy.